We're going to show you how to make the perfect gift.
It is this string art daisy.
Make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make this.
You will need A3 sized MDF board, yellow and white wool, a hammer, light blue paint, nails and some strong glue. Start by painting the MDF board light blue or any colour you like. You might need a couple of coats for even coverage. Use the template provided to sketch a daisy shape onto the centre of the board. Mark the nail positions in pencil onto the board as per the stencil. Place your design onto a chopping board and hammer the nails in where indicated. Tie a piece of yellow wool onto one of the central nails. Pull the wool tight and wrap it around each nail. Go all the way around the circle first, then zigzag back and forwards to cover the whole centre with yellow. Tie the ends, trim, and add a dot of glue to seal and secure the ends. For the white petals, tie some wool onto an outer nail and work your way around the nails on the petal from that nail. Repeat for the other nails to fill up the petal, then fill up the rest of the flower. Tie and glue as before. Rub out any pencil markings to finish.
So there we go, a string art daisy.
You don't have to stick to daisies, obviously you could make any flower based on whatever your mum likes best.
There are loads more ideas for Mother's Day over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, so make sure you check them out.
Thanks for watching.